So we're stopped on the side of the road here. There's a white guava tree growing right here. Just a small one, but it's got a whole lot of fruit on it. There's about 20 guavas on it. It's a white guava tree. There's all kinds of guavas, but I like these because they're really sweet and you really don't have to wait for them to be ripe before you start eating them. I think the guava we're all used to seeing is the red guava, kind of like a strawberry guava, which is pink on the inside. But I'm going to take a cutting here and I'm going to try to grow it off the cutting. So we'll take this little branch here. Looks good. We'll just go ahead and cut it right here. There we go. There's the little branch, and we'll cut these into several pieces and see if we can get it to grow. Okay, sorry about the wind once again. We're home now, and I have the cutting that I took off the guava tree right here. As I said before, it's a white guava. I'm not exactly sure what it's officially called, but I've always known it as a white guava, basically because the inside is white and not red or pink like other guavas, or actually I would say the majority of guavas. Here's an example of what the inside of it looks like. It's not exactly at its best time to eat. It is still a little hard. I've been eating it right here. I do eat the seeds as well. It does not affect me in any way negatively. I actually think it's actually pretty healthy. But here's what it looks like, and there's the seeds. You can see the seeds like right here. So instead of growing the seeds, I'm gonna actually try and grow it from the cutting here. I'm gonna cut into a few small pieces and we'll try and grow it. I won't be doing it today, so I'm gonna stick it in this bucket of water here and let it stay alive until I'm able to get the bucket to grow it in. As you can see, there's a bit of bug infestation on it. So I'm just gonna get some soapy water and spray it down to see if it helps it out. But as I said, I'm gonna stick it in the bucket. It might be there for a day or two, but eventually I'll get it in the ground and hopefully we can successfully grow it. It's September 1st, 2018. Yesterday, on August 31st, 2018, I had made these little guava cuttings from a branch that I had cut from quite some time ago, actually, maybe a week and a half to 2 weeks, maybe less. I'm not exactly sure, but these are the cuttings that I made from that one branch, and I just stuck it here in a little pot of MIRACLE-GRO potting soil. So we'll see if it takes. I didn't put any rooting hormone on it. I think the guava is a pretty strong plant. As you can see, the branches still have some, are still kind of alive. When I did clip them, I looked at the core of the small little branches, and they looked, pretty good. So we'll see if these take off, and if they don't, I might just go back and grab another branch and start off fresh.